The journey to becoming a champion starts in the mind. What separates a champion from the rest? It's not just talent, it's not just hard work, it's a mindset. This is the mindset of a champion. Mental resilience is key to overcoming obstacles. A champion's mindset isn't built overnight. It's forged in moments of pain, discipline, failure, and resilience. Champions think differently. They don't just compete, they dominate. They don't avoid fear, they embrace it. Vision. Every champion starts with a dream, a clear, burning vision. They see it, feel it, breathe it before the world does. Discipline over motivation. Champions train when they don't feel like it. Motivation fades. Discipline carries you to the top. Focus. They cut out the noise, social media, doubts, distractions. They focus relentlessly on the goal. Resilience. Setbacks, losses, champions bounce back. Failure is feedback, not a finish line. Belief. Before anyone else believes in them, they believe in themselves. Deeply, obsessively, fearlessly. Do you think champions born in one day? No. Kobe Bryant's 4 a.m. workouts, Simone Biles' 7 days a week training, Tom Brady's insane nutrition plan. These habits aren't random, they're rituals. You don't have to be an Olympian to have a champion mindset. It applies to your business, studies, relationships, your life. Start by showing up every day. Keep the promises you make to yourself. Train your mind like you train your body, and never settle. Champions aren't born, they're built. Brick by brick, habit by habit, and guess what? That mindset, it's already inside you. What do you think about this video? Do share a comment with us. Do not forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.